Okay, so this is 2 weeks after an L4-5 lumbar decompression for a very severe stenosis and stabilization. So how do you feel?
Very good, marvellous. No, I've had no pain since I left this hospital after
After the operation?
That's in the back. No pain
Yes.
in the back.
Great.
Obviously where the bruising and wound is.
Yes.
Yes.
And do you feel better with the legs and everything?
Yes, but I'm still a little bit
Numb?
knee down to
Yes.
ankle.
It was very severe stenosis, but you'll find that all that settles with time. Can I just see you have a little walk? Good, yeah, perfect. And the other way?
Oops.
Excellent. Whoops, yeah, careful.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well done. 2 weeks.
Certainly straight after the operation, when I went for a walk, I was happy to have a stick.
Yes.
Just because I felt a bit wobbly.
Just, yes.
Okay, yeah.
But now, and this is only 2 weeks, so
Yeah, sure.
this is the beginning of your recovery. Fantastic.